The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is reporting more than 100 cases of the measles in 14 states throughout the United States. That's including Utah, Colorado, and 7 cases here in Arizona, leaving many parents concerned about keeping their children safe from infection. Children here in northern Arizona may be at higher risk, with many counties reporting the highest numbers of unvaccinated children in the state. Xavier Rangel tells us how a simple vaccination can reduce your risk of catching the virus.
All right, so we're going to go right back in here. So if you could get the sleeve up just a little bit more.
A simple shot could protect you from the latest outbreak of the measles virus. With over 100 cases throughout the country and 7 confirmed cases of the virus here in Arizona, parents are concerned about keeping their kids safe. Northern Arizona provides some of the state's highest numbers of unvaccinated children, with about 7% of Mojave residents and almost 50% of students in Tuba City opting out of the measles vaccine. According to Dr. Mary Peoples, this is affecting what is called herd immunity, putting children here in northern Arizona at a greater risk of contracting measles than those in other parts of the state.
If you and I have our vaccinations, then we're protecting other people. And so we're reaching a tipping point where people are opting out of vaccinations for personal and religious and other reasons, just maybe because they don't believe in vaccinations. And so when you reach that tipping point, it certainly puts populations at risk.
David McAtee of Yavapai County Community Health Services says due to lack of funding and school nurses on enrollment day, students are often put in school without their measles vaccination.
When we walk in, they'll have that exemption form sitting on the desk. So if a student comes in without their immunization record, they just hand them an exemption form, say, you know what, sign this and we can take your kid in.
The easiest way to combat this issue?
We really try to get education out to parents, to schools, to any community groups, really anywhere where we can reach, a group of people and talk about the benefits of vaccination and provide science-based research that talk about the benefits of vaccination. Again, not only for individual children, but for the whole community, providing that herd immunity.
And Yavapai health officials are also trying to make it more convenient for parents to vaccinate their children.
We're going to next year try to actually do the shots at the schools so that you can just sign a release form, you send your kid in, and the next day they get their shots and all taken care of.
Doctors put it very simply.
It's airborne, sneezing, coughing. With other types of viruses, we can avoid that social contact, shaking hands, touching. But with something like that, you can only protect yourself so much.
A vaccination is your best form of protection. Xavier Rangel, NAZ Today.